Remove the backrest and the two armrests. Flip the chair over, as shown. Shake the two motors to determine which one is faulty. If one of the motors does not move, it needs to be replaced. Take off the pin. To remove the bolt, lift the mechanism as shown in the video to loosen it. Then you can easily take it off. Do the same on the other side. Loosen the buckle to remove the motor. Replace it with a new motor. Plug it in. Use the remote control to extend it slightly. Install the board to secure the inner side. To fix the other side, press the two upper buttons at the same time until the green light starts to blink. Now you can extend the motor and install it. Get the two pins on. Operate the remote control to close the footrest. Keep pressing to raise the mechanism a bit. Then press the two upper buttons at the same time. Until the green light starts to blink. Then release. Now you can test it to make sure everything is working properly. Reset the mechanism. Assemble the chair.